Welcome to Seniors Gardening Advice. I'm Sam, and if you've been dreaming of a garden that bursts with color season after season without replanting every spring, you're in exactly the right place. Imagine stepping outside to waves of stunning blooms that return faithfully year after year. That's the magic of perennials, and today we're revealing the top performers that'll transform your outdoor space into a breathtaking paradise. Before we jump in, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our gardening tips. And if this video helps you discover your next favorite plant, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment telling us which perennial caught your eye. Best long-blooming perennial number 1, Hellebore. Let's kick things off with a true winter warrior. Hellebores are exceptional early bloomers that can flower anywhere from December through April, depending on climate and variety. These tough performers feature glossy, evergreen leaves that create dense coverage across bare soil. Winter weather can leave the foliage looking worn, requiring some cleanup, but here's the beautiful part. The flowers emerge right when trimming becomes necessary. Once the spectacular blooms finish their show, fresh foliage pushes through, creating lush ground coverage that lasts throughout growing months. Wildlife leaves hellebores alone. Deer and rabbits avoid them completely. These shade lovers thrive under deciduous trees, where summer canopies provide protection, yet winter allows sunlight through bare branches. Plant them in moisture-retentive, well-draining soil across zones 3 through 9. With countless varieties offering everything from simple petals to frilly doubles in magnificent color ranges, there's a hellebore for every garden vision.
Best long-blooming perennial number 2, bearded iris. Spring to early summer stunners grow from rhizomes that divide easily, making them perfect for sharing. The selection seems endless. Tall, sword-like foliage maintains attractive appearance throughout most seasons. Maximum flowering requires full sun exposure, at least 6 hours daily. Proper rhizome placement matters tremendously. Planting too deep commonly prevents blooming. Some varieties even rebloom, offering a second flush 6 to 8 weeks after the initial spring display. Whether cottage charm or formal elegance defines your landscape, these stately beauties fit seamlessly. They flourish in loose, well-draining soil throughout zones 3 through 9. If you're looking for pass-along plants that multiply generously, bearded iris delivers magnificently. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow garden enthusiasts who love these spectacular perennials. Best long-blooming perennial number 3. Dicentra, or bleeding heart. Spring brings heart-shaped blossoms that inspired this charming name. Shades range from pink and red to pure white, with foliage options including traditional green and striking golden varieties. These woodland natives prefer partially shaded locations mimicking their natural habitat. Moisture-retentive yet well-draining soil suits them best across zones 3 through 9, creating enchanting displays in shade gardens.
Best long-blooming perennial number 4, Salvia. Understanding Salvia requires recognizing 2 distinct categories. Annual types bloom continuously until frost but never return. Perennial varieties flower for several weeks, potentially reblooming when deadheaded, then return reliably each year. May Night stands out as an exceptional perennial cultivar with deep purple spikes appearing in early spring, a perfect rose companion. Pollinators flock to these blooms while deer and rabbits keep their distance. Quick growth and easy division make Salvia wonderfully shareable. Moisture-retentive yet well-draining soil works best, though established plants tolerate drought admirably. Full sun exposure keeps plants blooming heavily with sturdy upright growth. Zone hardiness varies by specific variety and whether annual or perennial classification applies. Best long-blooming perennial number 5, Nepeta, Catmint. This mint family member offers fragrant foliage that pollinators absolutely adore while pests completely avoid. The blooming period extends remarkably long. Even as flowers fade, purple calyxes maintain colorful appearance. Deadheading encourages continuous flowering. Various sizes and heights ensure suitable options for any garden scale. Full sun and excellent drainage are essential. Once established, drought tolerance proves impressive. Zones 3 through 9 support thriving growth. Remember to subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice for more expert perennial recommendations. Best long-blooming perennial number 6, Peonies.
Few spring flowers rival peony magnificence. Sarah Bernhardt exemplifies fragrance and fluffy beauty. Herbaceous varieties bloom for several weeks, delivering show-stopping results that justify anticipation. Ants commonly appear on buds, but this natural relationship causes no harm. Ants consume nectar while protecting blossoms from other insects. Shortly after ant arrival, gorgeous blooms unfold. Herbaceous types often need staking support for heavy blooms. Ito peonies combine herbaceous and tree peony traits, offering sturdier stems. Tree peonies provide woody structure requiring no support whatsoever. Full sun produces optimal blooming, though partial sun works. Moisture-retentive, well-draining soil across zones 3 to 8 creates ideal conditions. Best long-blooming perennial number 7, Geum, Avens. Late spring welcomes hardy, long-blooming Geum with dainty rosette flowers in stunning shades. Yellow, orange, red, or pink varieties abound. Foliage often remains evergreen in moderate climates. Mai Tai represents one beautiful cultivar among many. Full sun to partial shade with moderate moisture in well-draining soil creates perfect conditions. Pollinators visit enthusiastically while deer and rabbits stay away. Zones 4 to 9 support robust growth. Best long-blooming perennial, number 8, pincushion flower, Scabiosa. Annual Scabiosa varieties exist for cut flower production, plus short-lived perennials like butterfly blue. Short-lived classification means several seasons of return rather than decades. Butterfly blue blooms extraordinarily long, from very early spring straight through frost. This marathon flowering makes it invaluable. Pollinators visit constantly. Lavender blooms approximately 2 inches across, top wiry stems above neat foliage mounds. Full sun and well-draining soil across zones 3 to 9 ensure success. If you're enjoying these perennial picks, hit that like button and drop a comment with your favorite flower. Best long-blooming perennial number 9, Lungwort, Pulmonaria. Clump-forming lungwort features beautiful fuzzy foliage, speckled or streaked with iridescent coloring. Early spring brings bell-shaped flowers in purple, pink, and blue depending on variety. Foliage size changes noticeably, smaller while blooming, then enlarging substantially afterward. Shade requirements are strict. Morning dappled sun works best, while afternoon heat scorches leaves. Well-draining, moisture-retentive soil across zones 3 to 8 suits these shade specialists perfectly. Best long-blooming perennial number 10, Mullein vertibascum. Vertical interest comes beautifully through Mullein's upright flower spikes. Pollinators constantly visit these bee and butterfly magnets. Zones 4 to 9 support growth with full sun and well-draining soil, though drought tolerance develops after establishment. Late spring initiates blooming, extending throughout summer with sporadic fall reblooming. Total flowering spans 4 to 6 weeks. Seed starting proves relatively simple. Southern Charm displays peachy salmon apricot tones, while Snowy Spires offers pure white beauty. Best long-blooming perennial number 11, Shasta Daisy. Classic garden charm defines Shasta daisies thriving in zones 5 to 9. Full sun to partial shade with well-draining, moderately moist soil creates ideal conditions. Late spring through early fall blooming continues with regular deadheading. Pollinators love these flowers, and cut stems last up to 7 days with proper water changes. Best long-blooming perennial number 12, Yarrow, Achillea. Feathery foliage coordinates beautifully with companion perennials. Zones 3 to 9 accommodate yarrow, preferring full sun and well-draining soil, making them drought-tolerant once established. Pollinators appreciate yarrow, which blooms from late spring through summer. Fading blooms develop beautiful color changes, extending visual interest considerably.
Best long-blooming perennial number 13, Coneflower, Echinacea. Gorgeous garden presence comes through multiple coneflower varieties in various colors. Deer usually avoid them, though rabbits occasionally nibble lower buds, requiring repellent protection. Extended July through September blooming with sporadic reblooming provides tremendous value. Leaving seed heads through winter feeds birds who relish the seeds. Zones 3 through 9 support coneflowers, preferring full sun in dry to medium soil. Drought tolerance develops excellently. Midsummer through fall blooming lasts several weeks with deadheading. Make sure you're subscribed to Seniors Gardening Advice so you don't miss future episodes. Best long-blooming perennial number 14, Euphorbia, Red Hot Poker. Interesting blooms atop tall stalks come in hot colors, reds, oranges, yellows, inspiring the common name. Lady Luck offers stunning chartreuse ivory gradient coloring. Even without flowers, ornamental grass-like foliage provides visual interest. Hummingbirds adore tubular flowers. Zones 5 through 9 support plants preferring full sun, well-draining soil with moderate moisture. Blooming spans 4 to 6 weeks from late spring through summer.
Best long-blooming perennial number 15, Astilbe. Shade to part shade conditions suit Astilbe, producing gorgeous plume blooms above ferny foliage. Moderately moist soil with regular early spring fertilizing optimizes performance. Zones 4 to 9 accommodate Astilbe, blooming mid to late summer, lasting approximately 4 to 6 weeks. Best long-blooming perennial number 16, Lady's Mantle, Alchemilla mollis. Whimsical blooms resembling baby's breath make excellent cut flower filler. 3+ weeks of billowy chartreuse flowers precede beautiful foliage displaying water droplets attractively. USDA zones 3 to 8 support plants handling full shade to full sun, though adequate moisture prevents leaf scorch in sunny locations. Moist yet well-draining soil proves ideal. Best long-blooming perennial number 17, Lamb's Ear. Ground cover potential comes through wide-spreading growth. Plants reach 3 to 3.5 feet diameter. Fuzzy texture deters deer. Full sun and well-draining soil suit these textural additions perfectly. Helen von Stein variety avoids blooming, preventing invasive seed spread, unlike traditional types. Tidy foliage clumps form gradually, creating lovely ground coverage over time. Best long-blooming perennial number 18, Rudbeckia, Black-eyed Susan. Golden blooms with dark brown centers emerge around July, lasting through fall. Goldsturm represents a popular 2 to 3 foot cultivar. Full sun maximizes blooming, 6+ hours daily. Well-draining soil suits these unfussy plants, readily self-seeding throughout garden areas, making division simple. Zones 3 to 9 support robust growth. Best long-blooming perennial, number 19, Agastache. Pollinator magnets with deer and rabbit resistance make Agastache invaluable. Blue Fortune variety reaches 3 feet tall and wide, featuring light purple-bluish coloring. Zones 5 to 10 accommodate plants requiring well-draining soil. Clay or waterlogged conditions prove fatal. Water-rise qualities suit dry areas excellently. Minty fragrant foliage pleases gardeners while attracting constant bee activity. Sterile Blue Fortune grows clump-forming without seed spread. Long-blooming perennial number 20, Sedum. Easiest perennials possible require full sun, minimal water, and zero fussing. Neon variety currently displays lime green foliage, developing pink blooms shortly. Division proves simple, drought tolerance exceptional. Excess water or fertilizer causes center flopping. Plant and ignore for best results. Numerous varieties exist, including popular Autumn Joy and dark-foliaged Matrona in various heights. Zone 3 hardiness handles extreme cold and heat admirably. Best long-blooming perennial number 21, Joe Pye weed. Swallowtail butterflies especially love this pollinator magnet. Little Joe cultivar grows 3 to 5 feet tall, 2 to 3 feet wide across zones 3 to 9. Basically disease-resistant plants work beautifully as tall border backgrounds or island bed centers. Pink, purple, mauve flowers bloom from peak summer through fall, with optional deadheading. Moist yet well-draining soil suits this native perennial perfectly. Best long-blooming perennial number 22, Perennial Alliums. Globe-shaped blooms provide unique visual interest, pairing beautifully with other perennials. Onion family membership creates fragrance, deterring rabbits and deer completely. Pest resistance proves excellent. Millennium Allium thrives zones 5 through 9, loving full sun without soil fussiness. Pollinator magnet status brings dozens of bees constantly. Easy, low-maintenance growth delivers reliable performance. Best long-blooming perennial number 23, Anemones. Late-season bloomers like Whirlwind variety offer white flowers, developing substantial clumps quickly. Soil with moisture retention supports happy growth, producing spectacular late displays. Fall in Love Sweetly Japanese anemone features pretty ruffled pink blooms floating gracefully above foliage. Honorin Jobert displays light pink with darker petal backs, creating lovely contrast. Best long-blooming perennial number 24, Lamium or dead nettle. Ground cover varieties include golden with pink-purple blooms, blending beautifully with burgundy glow ajuga. Purple Dragon features large silvery foliage with sporadic seasonal blooming. Even without flowers, beautiful foliage colors maintain visual interest throughout seasons. Best long-blooming perennial number 25, Ascot Rainbow Euphorbia. Variegated foliage creates stunning displays. Zone 7 hardiness rating varies by source. Some indicate Zone 5 through 9 compatibility. Winter survival proves excellent, with evergreen color retention plus interesting red tones developing. Spring chartreuse blooms add unique interest. Part sun situations work wonderfully for this exceptional foliage plant. Bonus, Sheffield mums. True perennial mums provide late October color with light pink, apricot, peachy tones. Abundant buds promise weeks of continued blooming, delighting bees and gardeners alike as seasons transition. There you have it, 25 incredible perennials plus a bonus that'll keep gardens gorgeous year after year. Which ones will you add to your landscape? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and share this video with friends who love gardening as much as we do here at Seniors Gardening Advice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss our helpful gardening content. Happy planting!